Welcome back. Did you miss me? Because I missed my friends that I made last break. Okay, let's just hop into her, shall we? Excuse me. Alrighty, we are doing NBA this time around. Alright, we're doing the 2020 to 2021 NBA trading card, the Panini Prizms. There are 24 packs, 4 cards per pack. Thanks for my welcome back. Here's our box. Empty box. Goodbye to the box. Sorry, didn't mean to do that. Alright. Oh, I almost just fell forward. Oh, sorry to shake everybody. I almost fell. Cute. Basketball. The names kind of are not my strong suit. Cameron Johnson. But I'm going to try. Derek White. I have a Kemba Walker. Rookie card. Tyrese Maxey. Nice. Lovely. Off to a beautiful start. This is my first with you guys. Hope to make some. Alright. DG, baby. Let's get something that you want. Kobe White. Damian Lillard. Rookie card, Anthony Edwards.
Nice card.
Nice card, okay. And I have a rookie card, Desmond Bane.
That's a nice card too.
Lovely. Look at that. We've been doing great. Last break, we were getting some bangers. So let's get back into that energy, as we already are. Rudy Gay, Shake Milton, Tyus Jones, however you say his name, Devin Booker, lovely. Do you penny sleeve in top? Yes, we do. Look, just as a reference, our cards are nice and sleeved for you. Blake Griffin. Oh, okay. I have an autographed card, rookie card for Kyra Lewis Jr. Team doesn't seem excited. I have Magic Johnson. Rookie card, Elijah Hughes. Whatever they said. DeAndre Jordan. Malcolm Brogdon. And I have a rookie card, Silver Maze. Lovely. Not bad. Second pack in and already full 3 going. Right. Yes. Not bad. Look at people talking to me. I love it. I just never had so many people talk. It's just a great time. Allen Iverson. Kevin Garnett. Rudy Gobert. Did I say it wrong?
Gobert. Just ready.
Okay. Kendrick Nunn. Nunn, Who are we looking for this NBA break? Sorry, eating and watching. It's fine. Eat away. Jackson Hayes. Jonas Valanciunas. Ish Smith. Okay, Ish Smith. And I have a Brandon Clark. But like, isn't he interesting? Doing great. So encouraging. You guys are so nice. Silver Anthony Edwards would be nice. Okay. I'm keeping my eyeballs out. Keep them peeled. Christ! Kevin Tawadu. Kawapub.
Darius.
What they said. Jay Crowder. Devin Brooker. I needed James Weissman or Tyrese. Okay, I got you. Rookie card. Carlos Stanley. Okay. I'm telling you, NBA. It's where it gets my tongue. Jeff T. Brandon Ingram. OG Onbury. Okay. I have a rookie card, Killian Hayes. Montrezl Harrell. Lovely. Kyle Lowry. Okay. Cam Reddish. Cool looking card. Langston Galloway. Name. Matthew Delavanda, however you say it. DJ Augustin. I don't know. Jamal Murray. Tyler Bay, rookie card. Victor Oladipo. LaMarcus Aldridge. Tyler Hero. Miami Heat. My guy. Joe Ingles. Lovely. Malik Monk. Jason Tatum. Otto Porter Jr. Kawhi Leonard. Kawhi. Welcome to the point where Summer lost her flow. Sudoku Dimbuggy.
There you go.
Karis LeVert. Mike Conley. Luke Kennard. Gary Harris. Enfrey Hardway. Kevin Love. DeMar DeRozan. Sorry. You guys are probably thinking I was doing so good. I'm trying. So, Bojan. Oh,
Bogdanovich.
doesn't he have a nickname?
Nope.
Oh,
Bug.
whatever his name is. Lonnie Walker the fifth. Cards are stuck. Rookie card Xavier Tillman. Rookie card Udaku. Guys, every pack is not going to be a great one. We gotta accept that. But we had a great run. We did. But it's not over. It's not over. Brooke Lopez. Marcus Morris, sir. I have a rookie card for Obi Toppin. Nice. Colin Sexton. Oh man, it's okay. Oh, thanks. I like the feeling of like a no judge zone. You know what I'm saying? Devontae Graham. You make me feel that way. Marquise Chris. Rookie card Aaron Neesmith. Rookie card James Weissman. Okay, that's what Mr. Man wanted. There we go. Mr. Man. Congratulations on getting your card. Again, the accent comes out. From where? I don't know. My ass? I think so. Tim Duncan. Matisse Tybio. It's sticky. Rookie card Patrick Williams. Darius Garland. There he is. Thank you, Summer. Of course. Of course. I told you I got you. Did I not? This is why we join us. Clay Thompson. Hassan Whiteside. Rookie card Isaac Okoro. Good card. Great card. CJ Elby. Rookie card. Okay, I have 4. This is the 4th pack. 3 packs after this one. Joe Harris. Lurai Marquine. No one's helping me. Aaron Baines. Miles Turner. And that's that. Okay, on to our 3rd to last pack. Michael Porter Jr. Norman Powell. Rookie card LaMelo Ball. Nice. And I have a rookie card Aaron Neesmith. Cute. Okay, this is our 2nd to last pack, everybody. Paul Millsap. Ja Morant. Nikola Jokic. The Joker. Bruce Brown. Anthony Edwards. Banger coming. Bangers are always coming. Hello, it's Bay Breaks. Or are you the shorty that's new? Jeff Green. Marvin Bagley III. Rookie card, Cassius Wilton. Red, nice sparkly card. Rookie card, Emmanuel Quickly.
What's the card?
Great. Lovely. It's a great card. Okay. Let's go through our highlights. Okay. Do the highlights? Right? JK. Y'all, I have a surprise. I have a bonus pack. And it looks a little something like this. There's 12 cards inside of the pack. Plus the bonus pack. Let's get into it. Sorry. Put that to the side. Okay. Nikola okay. Donovan Mitchell. Whatever they said. Alfred Payton. Josh Jackson. Can I do their last names?
Go ahead.
Okay. Baisley. Walker. Rookie card, Robert Woodard II. Brooke Lopez. Rookie card, Tyrese Halliburton. Lovely. Rookie card, Josh Green. Derrick Rose. Rookie card, Patrick Williams. Cool beans. On to our bonus pack. Jeff Green, Otto Porter Jr., Jabari Parker, Jabari, whatever the fuck your name is. Oh, great. Okay, Emmanuel Quickly rookie card. These are our highlights, everybody. Okay, Patrick Williams rookie card. James Weissman rookie card. I have a Obi Toppin rookie card. Tyler Hero with the Miami Heat. Y'all know how I feel. Toast Jones. Aaron Baines. LaMelo Ball rookie card. Jamal Murray. OG Anunoby. I know whatever your name is. McCallum Brogdon. Here is our signature rookie card for Kyra Lewis Jr. Rookie card, Anthony Edwards. I'm sorry?
Okay.
Oh. Rookie card, Desmond Bain. And last but not least, rookie card, Tyrese Maxey. That was our little break, everybody. What are we doing now? Where are we going? 10 minutes. BRB. See my face. I want to see you guys talking in the chat. I'm having fun. Okay, see you on 10.